Hello everyone and welcome to Exam B. So in this video we are going to talk about the IBPS SOIT phase 2 study plan. As we all know that phase 1 exam held on 31st of December, and without wasting any time we should start preparing for the phase 2, which is scheduled on 29th of January. So the thing is how we have to prepare in this short duration of time, keeping in mind that we have to cover major IT topics, and all has to be done in in regular manner, as well as we have to keep in mind the mock test practice and how we can work on our weak area. So these all things needs to be done in this short span of time, which is less than 1 month. So here I bring some of the important topics which need more attention from you guys, because these are the important topics. It is not the entire syllabus kind of thing, because we do not have any syllabus specifically from IBPS. So we cannot say that this is exhaustive syllabus, but yes, this is the part which you have to do, which is the must do thing before you enter the exam hall. So let's focus on the important topics that we need to do and encourage in our study plan. So I have prepared the plan week wise, and it is having 4 weeks. You can adjust it to the days according to your schedule, according to your time. But these are the topics that you need to be doing in this particular month. So in the week 1, try to complete the data structures understanding. And when I say understanding data structure, you should be understanding the basic concepts and the traditional codes. Also, you have to understand the algorithms with the time complexity. For every algorithm that you read, you must know the complexity, that is spaced complexity and the time complexity. After that, I think the next important topics are from operating system. And once you are done with these 3 subjects in 1 week, you have to revise the entire week syllabus on day 7, and then practice at least 1 mock test and check how your performance is going on. After that thing, in the second week, you have to focus on the database management system and computer networks. You have to revise whatever you have read in week 2, and on day 7 here you have to start software engineering SDLC model. So these are some theoretical topics which you will be doing in very quick manner. You just need to understand different types of models, what are the basic features of the models, what are the shortcomings of the model, and then for which particular kind of project what kind of model should be approached. So that kind of analytics you have to build on your particular understanding. Once you're done with the week 2, you have to go for week 3, and in week 3 you have to focus again on the software engineering, data warehouse and data mining. These are the theoretical topics which I have kept for the week 3, because if once you learn these topics, they will be in your mind till the exam time. If you read them beforehand and read the conceptual and more technical topic after 2 weeks, it will be a little bit pressurizing in mind. So what we can do, we can just complete the topics which are more technical in nature in this week and in the second week of January. And after that, we can focus on some theoretical topics which will be actually very, very, very important for the exam. And at the same time, we will be able to recollect the topics because they were recently done by us. So by that particular logic, I have kept week 3 for entire theoretical concepts. Then the last week is the week 4, and here you have to complete the Unix commands, including shell variables and some concepts of shell, and the cyber security. In computer organization specifically, you have to focus on memory organization, cache and mapping, and loader linker interpreters, these things. Then you have to focus on the OOPS concepts. OOPS concept, keeping in mind Java as the primary language. So this thing will be very helpful once you are done with these things. And once you're done with these things, you can again do the same exercise, that is revising the syllabus of week 4 and the mock test 4. So this is the skeleton of the study plan that one should follow, because we have very less amount of time and many of us will be working. So how we are going to prepare in this particular short duration of time? So at least we have to focus on those topics which are going to give us more marks, rather than covering and finding the things which we are not aware of. They might be not as important as we think of them because we do not know them. Sometimes the FOMO of not covering the syllabus is too high that people spend time in less productive topic, and at the end what happens, they end up in frustration because the topic seems to be new to them, and there is less time during which they are targeting that topic. So everything need to be in place. We have to be very aware once we are going for such exam where we are having very short duration of time between mains and the preliminary exam. So I hope you find this video very helpful. If you like this video, do hit the like button. If you are still an unsubscribed user, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates from our side. So this was all from our side. We'll bring some more informative and conceptual video in the future time. By the time, keep practicing and stay updated.